Hey guys, good morning. It's about 6:25. I came in this morning to go work out, and my wife caught me on the phone before going into the weight room and told me that one of my little ones was throwing up. So instead of getting a workout in, I'm here doing sub plans early, and I had an idea why not make a video for you. I do want you to realize I expect you guys to get some work done today. Again, we're at that point in the semester where we can't afford to miss instructional time, and with me being gone, I've got to count on you guys to be able to get some stuff done. What you'll need to do is I've got some directions on the smart board that you guys are going to follow. I'll have some videos for you guys to look at. I'll have some questions for you guys to answer, because we've got to get through and have a pretty good understanding of what DNA is, how DNA replicates or copies itself during the S phase event, and how proteins are made, because all of that plays into controlling our characteristics. As we mentioned last time, DNA is made up of small segments called genes. Genes are the instructions for recipes or how-to manuals on how to make proteins, and proteins then will go on and control and build our characteristics, whether they be something in our internal physiology that we can't see with the naked eye, or whether it be eye color, hair color, height, skin tone, stuff like that. So again, in our quest to understand how mutations can affect that phenotypic expression, or to see how we can manipulate different stressors to affect phenotypic expression, we've got to lay some base groundwork first. We've got to have a good understanding of what DNA is, how it's arranged, how it's made, and how it's used as that template of instructions for proteins and how proteins are made, to start using that information and applying it to figure out how it can be manipulated, or how mutations can affect that process. And understand, DNA replication, protein synthesis, whether it be transcription, which I know you may not be familiar with, some you may, or translation, those are all sources or potential places where mutations or errors or changes could occur. So we've got to have an understanding of how all that stuff works. So again, stay on task today. I want you guys to get on the computers once you guys have watched the videos together as a class. So again, you're going to watch these videos together as a class, then you're going to get the computers out and go through some of these links and modules that I've collected and put together to help you understand some of the stuff and visualize all these things. It is pretty abstract, and we're talking about stuff on the molecular level here. Also, in addition to that, homework. I know the other word, I hate to give you homework, but I do have a on my website under today's date, there is a thing about mutations, because remember, we got to know what are mutations, what are some of the causes of mutations, are all mutations the same, or are there different types of mutations, and if there are different types, but they all have the same effect. Alright, so again, we're kind of doing some base research knowledge on that stuff. So today's going to be a work day. When I come back next time, I'm going to have to kind of work in reverse, kind of find out where you're at, what you learned, and go from there. And I'll kind of bone up some things here and there as I need to, and we'll push forward. And I got an activity scheduled for this week that will help us understand and put into practice this whole idea of protein making, and we can see how and where mutations could slip in and cause problems. Alright guys, again, I'm sorry I have to be gone. It's not ideal, but with my wife not having any sick days left, I am Mr. Mom from now on anytime a kid gets sick. So it is what it is. Life is life, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thanks.